a unique house that offers an open space concept on a small scale. This is Building Frame of the House, a creation by IGArchitects, a residence of only 60 square meters designed to create flexibility and connectivity in daily life. This house is specifically designed for a married couple who wish to blur the boundaries between their personal and professional lives. With an unconventional lifestyle, they need a home that allows them to work in various corners without losing connection with each other. Therefore, the design of this house avoids rigid room divisions and replaces them with one large flexible space, enabling more natural and unsegmented interactions. The house of frame concept was adopted as a solution to balance strength and flexibility in the building structure. Instead of featuring massive walls that restrict space, this house showcases frame walls and floors arranged at different heights to form a more dynamic space. The result is a home that is not only structurally strong, but also provides a freer and more spacious spatial experience. One of the most interesting elements of this house is the north wall, which is slanted to create a connection with the adjacent vacant lot. This structure not only shapes the interior space, but also strategically adjusts the height and depth levels of each floor. 3 misaligned walls and 7 floor slabs of varying heights overlap each other, creating openings that bring in natural light and fresh air. With this design, the house maintains privacy without losing its connection to the surroundings. Additionally, although there are no openings on the south side to avoid excessive sunlight exposure, natural light still enters throughout the day via the north wall, creating a comfortable and cool atmosphere. The shifting natural light throughout the day also plays a crucial role in creating a dynamic atmosphere inside the house. Light entering through gaps in the walls and floors casts ever-changing shadows, providing an engaging visual effect and enhancing the sense of depth in this compact space. Furthermore, this lighting arrangement allows the occupants to experience changes in time, weather, and seasons directly from within the house. This house is designed without a conventional garden or balcony. Instead, large openings allow the interior space to function like a garden or balcony when fully opened. With this approach, the small house feels more spacious and flexible, offering a living experience closer to nature despite being in the middle of a city. The function of the floors in this house is also designed with a multifunctional approach. Due to their small size, they serve not only as walking surfaces, but also as integral interior elements. Some floor areas can function as seating, work tables, storage shelves, or even ceilings for the areas below. With this flexibility, almost no space has a fixed function. Instead, every part of the house is formed by the relationship between the misaligned floors. Upon entering through the front door and moving upward, occupants will experience a gradual spatial transition. The human-scaled stairs and furniture blend seamlessly with the large and strong building structure, creating a richer spatial experience beyond mere functional needs. This gradual transition also forms a natural flow between different areas of the house, making the space feel more expansive and comfortable. With a simple concept of shifting walls and overlapping floors, this house creates an openness that far exceeds its total area of just 60 square meters. This home is a reflection of urban living with limited land, yet it still offers comfort and flexibility. The coexistence of near and far distances, separation and repetition all merge within this uniquely structured home. Overall, building frame of the house is an outstanding example of how space limitations can be transformed into opportunities for innovative design. By utilizing intelligent architectural principles, this house successfully creates a comfortable, flexible living environment that remains connected to its surroundings. Hopefully, this design can inspire you in creating a more dynamic and efficient home in the future. That concludes our review of Building Frame of the House by IGArchitects. Don't forget to stay tuned to Block 7 for more home design inspirations. See you in the next video.